It is the single biggest threat your nail salon has ever seen. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter there by clicking the little red button. It is called Nimble, the world's first home manicure robot. The robot paints and fully dries your nails for a perfect manicure without ever leaving your house. Check this out. You just select a polished color, stick your hand into the machine, and with a simple press of a button, it goes to work using 3D scanning technology and advanced AI. Nimble learns the exact size, shape, and curve of your nails, calculating the precise amount of polish needed for the absolutely most beautiful manicure. It can be incredibly accurate with high speed, high-res micro cameras on the inside, and laser scanning ensures that it stays within the lines. Then it uses a smart robotic arm to apply 2 or 4 coats of polish, depending upon what you want it. The built-in fan dries the polish between each coat. Your nails come out completely dry, no smearing or smudging. The results? A flawless manicure every single time. Sorry, manicurist. More wild new tech like this at cyberguy.com. Be sure to sign up for my free newsletter by clicking the little red button.